welcome back to Little Miss Drop Stitch, and today I will be showing you how to cast on your stitches for knitting, and we're using the thumb method. I'm showing you this because it's the first method I use. There are a couple of different, quite a few different methods you can cast on with, but I want to show you the thumb method. I also think it's great for beginners because it does have quite a lot of elastic and it's a stretchy cast on, so that's great for beginners who might be a bit tight with the stitches, or also if you're doing things like jumpers where you need that bit of stretch, or mittens or whatever to get them over the body. All you'll need to cast on with the thumb method is one knitting needle, you don't even need two, and some yarn, okay? Then you're going to want to leave a long enough tail, because we'll use that for casting on our stitches. As you knit and do many more projects, you'll get to know kind of how much is too much or too little to cast on, but it's all good practice, okay? So we're leaving a long enough tail, and then you either want to tie it to your needle, or I'd suggest the slip knot method, and I will either flash it up on screen or link it below because we do already have a video on that. Okay, it's a slip knot or tie on, and that will also count as your first stitch, okay? So there we go, that's our first stitch on our needle. The next step, okay, I'll do it slowly and you can watch me. So pick up the yarn and just put your thumb like that, and this is why it's called the thumb method. Then just roll it around your thumb, okay, like that. We will do it again in a minute, so don't worry. And then you want to get your needle and put it through the loop that's on your thumb, keep it there, and then wrap the yarn attached to your ball of wool around that, and then pull the thumb loop over and pull on your little tail. Okay, so that's one more stitch that we've cast on. It's important to keep it separate, so your tail, keep that to the left, and the yarn with your ball, keep that to the right so you don't get mixed up. Even sometimes now I cast on with the wrong bit. Okay, so we will do that again. So this is your short tail that you're casting on with. Okay, thumb, roll it around your thumb, put the needle under, keep that there. When you first do this, you might feel like you need about 8 arms, but I promise it does get easy and quick. Okay, and then we're taking the yarn that's attached to the ball, wrap it round, and then the loop that's attached to your thumb over the needle and pull the shorter tail, and we've made another stitch. So I'll do it slow another time without me nattering. So there we go, we've cast on our stitches, and remember our initial, whether we've tied it on or slip knotted, that counts as one as well. And I do really like this because it is a stretchy cast on, so great for beginners that might be a bit tight, or if you're doing necklines and things on jumpers. Okay, so there we go. Brilliant, let's see how many we've got. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. I'll take one off so we've got a nice even number. So there we go. Well done for casting on with the thumb method. And the next bit, which I'll link below, is learning how to do the knit stitch. So do go and watch that video now. Thank you and take care.